What's the meaning of busby? Busby. Busby.
Busby. Busby. The word busby refers to a type of military headdress that is typically made of fur and worn by cavalry regiments. The busby is most commonly associated with the British Army and has been in use since the 19th century. The distinctive appearance of the busby makes it instantly recognizable, and it is often used as a symbol of authority and tradition within military circles. Despite its historical significance, the busby is now primarily used for ceremonial occasions and is rarely worn in active service.